You ever meet someone who just can't lose? Like no matter what happens, they somehow end up on top? That's not luck, that's strategy. See, most people hope things go right. Winners make things go right. They build their life like chess. Every move is part of a plan. You've got to have a strategy so tight, so well designed, that there's no scenario where you lose. If one door closes, you've already built three more. If one plan fails, your backup plan has a backup plan. Because when you set yourself up to win in many ways, failure becomes just another step forward. No matter how things turn out, you end up in a winning situation. The only question left is how big your win will be. But here's the thing. That kind of setup doesn't come from wishful thinking. It comes from thinking deeply, planning smart, and taking action every single day. You've got to design your life like an engineer builds a bridge, strong enough to hold any weight that comes. Your strategy should have layers of success stacked like safety nets. If one part fails, another catches you. That's how you make losing impossible. Every day, refine your plan. Make it smarter, cleaner, faster. Work so hard that success has no choice but to show up. Be the person who puts in so much thought, so much effort that reality has to bend in your favor. And when people look at you and say, "You're so lucky," smile. Because deep down, you know luck had nothing to do with it. You created a life where success isn't a chance, it's the only possible outcome. So think, plan, act, do it again tomorrow, and keep doing it until there's no version of your story where you lose.